Hi there, welcome to 1-2-Step. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into USbank. To log into USbank, you need to open up any web browser. In this video, I'm going to use Google. After opening up Google, on the URL bar, type in USbank. And click on Online Account Login. And after that, you will go to the official web page of USbank. After landing on the official web page of USbank, you will notice a login button on the very topmost right corner. Click on that. After clicking on to the login button, you will land on the official login page. Now type in your personal ID and your password and click login to login. If you forgot your ID, then click on forgot ID, and if you forgot your password, then click on forgot password to reset them. So this is the process of logging into USbank. If you find this video useful, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you could get notified of our newest upload. For now, thank you for watching the video.